earn free tone to your Tonkeeper wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to earn free tone on this particular website by just performing some basic tasks for free on this website, and I will advise to pay very close attention to this video. If I should go on right now and click on this section right now, once I click on this section right now and click on this faucet right now, this is hourly faucet where I will always be coming to claim tone every single day. If I'm in stone level, this is stone level right now, which is my current level. This is the amount of tone I will be earning. And if I'm in hour level, this is the amount of tone I will be earning. And if I'm in master level, I'll be earning 1 tone every hour on this particular website. And if you check my balance right now, you see that I currently have is 0 tone right now because I have withdrawn all my earning right here. Watch as I will be claiming this particular tone right now from this particular website. And before the end of this video, I'm going to be withdrawing any amount I earn from this particular website. I click on right now to verify that I'm a human being. After verifying that I'm not a robot, I click on this claim right now. Once I click on claim, watch closely guys. You can see successfully, you can see the amount of tone I have successfully claimed right now on this particular website right now. You can see, and after 1 hour, I will come back to this particular website to perform another task and be able to claim another tone. And to actually be able to move from stone level to master level, which I will be earning 1 tone every hour on this website, all I don't need to do is to click on this section right now. I will go to game section. I click on game to go and play game. By playing game on this website, your level will be moving. You can see that I'm currently in 8% of rate of moving to iron level right now. As you are playing game on this website using the amount you earn for free on this website, that is how your level will be moving on this particular website right now. You can see there are different type of game, including what game, different types of game which you can play to earn money on this website right now. And another place you'll be able to earn is click on this section right now. Go to affiliate section. Though referral is not must on this website, but you'll be able to earn more by performing basic tasks on this particular website. And you can see total referred. You can see the total number of people that have been referred, and you can see the amount I have been able to earn 6 tone on this website. And you can see the amount available commission balance. I have 0.1 tone right now. To claim this amount of tone which I earn by referring people, I click on this claim right now. Once I click on, you can see I now have total of 0.1 tone right now for performing the basic tasks such as referring my friends and claiming hourly faucet on this website. And if you scroll down right there, you'll be able to see people that have been able to invite to join this particular platform to perform tasks and be able to earn free tone on this particular platform right now. You can see that this particular person is in bronze level, this particular person is in hour level, and you can see and many of them are in stone level and some of them are still in master level, any free tone on this particular website right now. And if I should go back right now and go to survey, you'll be able to take surveys also on this particular platform and also be able to earn by taking basic survey on this particular website. The amount the survey pay you depend on how difficult the survey is. If I should go back right now and click on this gift section right now, this is where I'm going to claim gift if I have any gift to claim on this particular website. I can see that I have been able to claim 2 gifts. You can see this is New Year gift, which I claim 2 gifts for New Year, and you just want to put your gift code right there and be able to claim your earning. To withdraw my earning, I will go back right now and click on this withdraw section right now. Once I click on this withdraw section, the next thing I need to do is go on right now and put the amount which I want to withdraw right there. I need to understand that the minimum withdrawal is 0.1 ton. Okay, I scroll down right now and the tag is not a must. Okay, I go on right now and put the amount which I want to withdraw. After inputting the amount which I want to withdraw, the next thing I need to do is scroll down right now and verify that I'm not a robot. Once I verify that I'm a human being, the next thing I need to do is scroll down right now and click on this withdraw. Once I click on this withdraw, watch, you can see successful, you can see it right there, and I've been able to withdraw my 0.1 ton which I actually earn on this particular platform. And let's scroll down right now. Once I scroll down right now, you'll be able to see that this is unconfirmed right now. It is still processing, and once it is confirmed, my earning will be processed directly to my Ton wallet, which I have been able to place right here, and be able to see the amount which I have been earning also on this particular platform on daily basis on this particular platform. This is not my first time of withdrawing on this website. I have been withdrawing money on this particular platform for a long period of time, and if many other people have been making use of this particular platform to earn free ton. If you are looking for a way to earn free ton online, kindly let me know in the comment section of this video, as I will be dropping the registration link in the description of this video for those that want to register. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.